Good.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Good morning, Humaira. Good morning. Good morning, Zach. Hi.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. How are you all?
I'm good, ma'am.
Good. That's great. That's your brother, Khadija?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. How are you, Khadija?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
I am fine. Thank you. Hi, Zakaria. How are you? How are you, Zach? You got froze? Oh, no. Yes, now I can see. Fine. All right. Perfect. Okay. Got it. Everyone is ready for the class? Yes? No?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes? All right. Perfect. So let's begin with the ABCD song. Come on, everybody. Sing the song. ABCD song.
A, B, C, D,
E.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I,
Zach?
J, K,
Yes. Okay. Let's do that again. Again. Repeat after teacher. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next I want you to sing with me. Amazing. Okay, Khadija is facing some problem. Hi, Nora. How are you? Come on, settle down quickly. Khadija, am I audible now? Yes. Hi, Zan. Hi, Nora.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Nora. Okay, so today we are going to do two-letter words with E sound. With sound? E sound. With sound? Tell me quickly, which sound? Humaira, which sound?
E sound.
And which letter makes E sound? I, letter I. Hi, Khadija, can you hear me now?
Yeah. Net issue.
Yeah, got it. It's okay. All right, everybody, take out your notebook, English notebook, and start with the two-letter words with E sound, that is letter I. Letter I, E. Are we all ready? Humaira ready? Zach ready? Izan ready? Ready? Khadija ready? You're ready? Show me thumbs up. Everyone is ready. Perfect. Okay. So the first word is fee. F as in frog. Fee. 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 Zach, write down, beta. Zakaria, write. Fee. Fee. Okay, Humaira, E sound is letter I. Letter I makes E sound, right? It's E, E, igloo, E, E, ink. Correct? I for ink pot, I for igloo. That means letter I is making E sound. I'm not telling you to write the letter E. I'm telling you the sound and you have to write the letter. Okay? So letter I makes E sound. That means you will write letter F and letter I. So for E together will be fee. I'll just write it down here. So it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So we are doing two letter words. Two letter words with I. Two letter words with I. So first word was for E, fee. For E, fee. Yes, very good, Khadija. Well done. Very good, Humaira. Zach, Zakaria, hi, beta. Write down. Write down the first word. Okay. Now next is Nora. Turn on the camera. Where are you? Okay. Next you will write a L-E-L. L. L as in lion, L as in lollipop. L-E-L. L-E-L.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
L.
L. Correct. Correct is that. Correct. L-E-L. L-E-L. Hi, Nora. Good morning, beta. So the next word is L-E-L. L and E together. Li. All right. Now next word is P-E-P. Papaya. P-E-P. 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 How we are going to write P-E-P? So P-E-P. All right. P-E-P. Very good. Zakaria, are you writing, beta? Yes? Okay. Nora, sit properly, beta. Okay, now next. S-E-C. So, snake. S-E-C. S and E together. C. S-E-C. S-E-C. How we are going to write C, letter S and letter I. So EC. Now next is D-E-D. D as in dog. Dog. D-E-D. Write down. D-E-D. 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 Now next is how we are going to write D, letter D and I. D-E-D. Next is T. Train. T-E-T. 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 We're going to write T, letter T and I. T. Nora, are you writing all the words? Nora? Yes? Okay. Now next word is J. Jug. J-E-G. 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 Perfect, Izan. Very good. J-E-G. J-E-G. Okay. Now last word is H-E, he. H, horse. H, hen. So H-E, he. Write it. H-E, he. H-E, he. Letter H and I. H-E, he. Come on, everyone, quickly write it down. Very good, Humaira. Well done. Nora, show me your notebook. Very good, Khadija. Very good. I have seen it already. Okay, Khadija will show teacher. Okay, this is not done. I don't need anyone's help. Perfect. Perfect. Why all the letters are dancing, Khadija?
Today why your letters are dancing kuste makai ko dance ko kuste up and down edo gaji kumar letters
They should stand properly in between the lines, in between the 4 lines. Yes. Okay, Nora, little close to the camera, beta. Even Nora's letters are dancing. Izan and Zakaria, show me your notebook quickly. Let me see. Quick. All right, perfect. Zakaria, little close to the camera. Ma'am cannot see. Yes. Very good. All right. Well done. Clap for yourself. Good job. Good job. Good job. Give me high five. Toing. Toing. No one is giving me high five. Toing. Toing. Okay. All right. Now let's start blending all the words. Okay. So you have to repeat after teacher. So first word is fee. For. Show me thumb. Show me your thumb, everybody. For. E. Fee. Zakaria, turn on the camera. You have to do the blending. For. E.
E. Ma'am.
Correct. For. E. Fee. Humaira, do beta. For. E.
E.
No. Okay, next. L, E, Li. Everyone. L, E, Li. L, E, Li. Well done. Next. P, E, P. P, E, P. Use your thumb and index finger. Humaira, where is the thumb? P, E, P. Nora, P, E, P. Izan, P, E, P. Zakaria, beta, turn on the camera. Next. S, E, C. S, E, C. S, E, C. Well done. D, E, D. D, E, D. D, E, D. Very good. Now next word is T. T, train. T, E, T. T, E, T. T, E, T. Very good. Next is J, E, G. J, E, G. J, E, G. And the last word is, everybody, last word, he. Ha, E, he. Ha, E, he. Ha, E, he. Great. Not bad. Very good. Clap for yourself. Well done, everyone. Good job. Hi, Abdul. Are you there? Good job, everybody. Yippee. I'm so happy. And what else? And a star. All right. So Christmas is coming. Santa is coming. So, are you all happy? So let's watch one video today. Okay? How to